off on the left side, set it off on the right side, set it off. Set it off. I said, set it off on the left side, set it off on the right side, set it off. All right. Oh, it's gonna be one of those videos. Got some stuff to get off my chest. This video is gonna be about what I hate about dealing with certain people and certain companies in the car community. You want to build yourself a car. You might not even want to get crazy. You might just want to get some stuff fixed with your car, truck, your boat, or whatever. What I have to talk about deals with everything all across the board. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
Let's get started. One of the things that I've noticed when it comes to dealing with your car, truck, your vehicle, motorcycle, whatever it may be, it seems like it's the same headaches, it's the same stress, it's the same people dropping the ball, it's the same areas that just can't seem to get it right. All right, let's start off. Painters. Why is it so hard to find a good painter? To find somebody that says that they can do a job and they do it. I've been getting a lot of questions about where's my Lexus. In the past videos, you've been seeing Ron Burgundy. That's my best friend's car, that's Mindy's car. It's the Burgundy Lexus. And you've seen me do a lot of different things with that, with whatever, fixing the motor, her system, her rims, suspension, etc. And we're still not done with it. But mine is the black Lexus. Okay, that's the one that's getting built to be able to handle upwards of 1,200 horsepower. Fully built, 2JZ, big single turbo, and just the works, right? From my car, you saw how the paint was looking, how it was just peeling off, falling apart after I got it painted from somebody that I thought was a reputable source. And matter of fact, here it is right here.
Look at this, look, ready? Whose paint does this? Terrible.
So as you can see, literally just ripping it off in layers. That's the paint, that's the clear. But my thing is this, here's what makes me so mad. It's so hard to find a good painter. But if you do find a good painter, they're gonna charge you up the ass. They're gonna charge you something like extreme to where it's like, I can go get a whole nother car for what you're trying to charge me. So now you're stuck as a customer because do you go and pay all this money to get your car done or vehicle done the right way? Hopefully it turns out the right way based on the price. Or do you save money and go with something else that's reasonable, but guess what? You're not gonna be happy. You're stuck. Pay, don't pay. Good painter, not a good painter. Why is it that they can't get it right? Whether it be swirls, orange peel, whether it be chipping, the prep work, the finishing, they didn't let it cure right. There's so many stages to this, but I guess what makes me mad about it is if this is your profession, if this is how you guys pay to keep your business up, if this is how you put food in your kid, in your family's mouth, even support yourself, how are you running a business that's not being ran right? And it's not just a single place. You talk to anybody, maybe even yourself gone through it. Everybody goes to these headaches with painters. Why? And then if there is a painter that can do the job right, oh, have fun waiting in line. That wait time is gonna be months down the line if you're lucky. If you're lucky. And then once it gets painted or in the process of getting painted, 2 weeks is too quick. 1 month seems reasonable. Breaking it down, doing all the body work, making sure, there's no dents, anything like that. But that's what you're paying for, so you expect that. But, okay, let's move on from painters. Body shops. Here's a little thing. If you were to have money and go into a body shop, and usually paint and body go hand in hand. But if you were to go into a body shop, just want to get something fixed, you messed up, not only do they charge something crazy, everything's gonna be expensive now. There's nothing reasonable. And to me, I think if you're gonna run a business, have reasonable prices, because now you're gonna have a long list of clientele out the door. You're not gonna be able to capitalize on getting this one person for all their money. Yeah, you made your money off of this one person, but nobody's gonna be coming to your business for a good while. With that being said, your car gets put into what I like to call a body shop purgatory. Your car will go to the shop and it'll sit there. And what I like to do, I like to try to be on people. I like to try to pop up randomly, not even call and let them know that I'm coming, just to see the integrity behind them and how consistent they are. Because if you say, hey, I'm coming down tomorrow, they're gonna be working on it. Yeah, we've been putting in a lot of time, boss. We own it, boss, you know? But they're lying because they know you're coming. Show up whenever you want because your vehicle's there, you're paying for it. Don't ever feel persuaded to not do so. But at the same time, you don't want to be on their head because you do want to give them room to work. You do want to give them, you don't want to rush them. You know, anytime people start rushing jobs because of a pissed off customer, do you really think that they're going to treat your car as their own? They're not. They're going to do a half-assed job, get your money, and send you on the way. So that's what I'm saying. As a customer, with anything, whether it be you just wanting to get something fixed or you wanting to upgrade and make something special that not only you will love, but everybody else can admire. You're stuck with the money, with the time, with the right shop. And a lot of times you're gonna have to go through multiple shops because good luck on trying to get a refund. The most shops will say is like, hey, give us another chance, we can redo it. No, man, you already lost my trust. You know, you already messed this up. You think I'm gonna give you a second chance to continue the mess up? No, I'm gonna just take it somewhere else. You ever gone to a body shop and just seen a bunch of cars that are just junk, beat up, not getting fixed, sitting there? When you first showed up to get an estimate or talk to the people, maybe weeks and weeks later, and you always think like, where's the owners at? You know what? Maybe these people, they didn't have enough money to get whatever it may be. You come up with excuses and thoughts of like, why are these cars sitting here? And what ends up happening is your car becomes a part of this car purgatory boneyard. Or what'll happen is this, some shops, you don't have to give them all of the money up front. What I say is, I think it's always smart to give whatever the estimate might be is give them a third of that up front to get started. And then give them another third, which might be some labor, parts, supplies, and everything like that. And don't give them another dollar, the last third, don't give it to them until your car is finished, you see the, and you're happy with it. Because once they have all your money, and I've made this mistake, I'm pretty sure some of you guys have, once you pay them all the money, like hell yeah, here's the money, get it done, please. They don't have to wait on nobody. They don't have to wait to finish the job to get your money. They already got it. They already got it. So they can just chill, come up with excuses. Your car's just sitting there. Hey, can you finish it? Hey, can you do it? How long? How long? Oh, you know what I mean? It doesn't matter. Body shops are the same way. There's so many different levels and areas when it comes to body shops because they can do so much. But if your vehicle is there for a specific reason and you're running a business, just do your job. That's it. That's it. Hey, you guys want to see a magic trick? Magic trick. Check this out. Watch this. Watch. Pow! Hit the like and subscribe button. All right? Painters, frustration, body shops, pissing me off, but one thing that will make me happy is if you can like and subscribe. Make sure you follow me, man. I got all kind of new content coming up. I got many more topics to vent about. Also, I got some topics to talk about that I'm actually pleased with. That actually makes me happy, you know? But if you guys can relate to what I was talking about and what you heard, even if you just want to just follow my journey and what I have going on, please like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. And if you haven't done so yet, please follow me on Instagram at Import Life Media, all right? Tune in with you guys again. Big Daniel, signing out. Holla at your boy.